In this short video tutorial, we will be learning how we can change the keyboard language in Windows 11 devices. So for that, we need to first make a right click here in the Windows icon and select the settings option. Now, once you're already in the settings window, all you need to do is just to go to this time and language that you will find in the left pane. And in here, we have the language and region option. So please make a click on that. And then you will be seeing here the preferred languages that you have added in your device. So if you want to add a new language, all you need to do is just to click on this add a language option. And then you'll be seeing here languages that you can choose to install. So you can either have this language just like this one, and if you want to install it, just select it and then click on this next button. And then once it is already installed in your device, all you need to do is just to go back to this window here, and then it will be added at the very bottom part. To just click on the three dot icon there and then click on the language options, and then you will be needing to download here the language pack, the basic typing, and the handwriting option. So once you have already added that or downloaded that, all you need to do is just to click on the X button here for or to close the window. And once we have closed the window, we can also switch between keyboard languages by going to the taskbar. Here you will be seeing this option here, and if you click on this one, you will be seeing the newly added language. And if you want to change the keyboard with that or using that language, all you need to do is just to select it. And then once selected, all you need to do is just to test it in text editor. So you can open your notepad and there you can type the text here using the language that you have just added in your keyboard. So that's how you can easily switch the keyboard language in your Windows 11 device. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.